Hey guys, Hacks again with Digital Polymath. I actually forgot about this little guy that I got along with the EVGA video card. This is the EVGA Powerlink, and the only thing this is, actually it says right here, EVGA Powerlink has one primary function: to make your PC look even more awesome. So basically what it is it's an adapter that hooks into the power where you would plug in the power for your video card usually. So here, and basically it's a bracket that goes around in an L shape here, so that it moves the cabling to the front of the card. Which allows it to, the airflow to be a little bit better, and you don't have a mess of cables kind of going up the side of your case. It is very nice. It's a very cheap little add-on, I think less than 20 bucks. Of course, completely not necessary, but it's a nice little touch. And let me just open it up real quick. Probably nothing much to show. Plastic hanger piece there. Just open this up. Got looks like the manual here, and here's the Powerlink itself. And it's made out of plastic, but it's a nice kind of solid plastic, hard plastic. And so you see the EVGA branding there. So this is where you would plug into the video card. So it kind of slots in right there. And what that does is it allows you to plug in the actual cables coming from your power supply, like I said, on the front of the card, so that it looks a little cleaner and helps with the airflow in the case itself. Inside the box, looks like it comes with a little tool. Not sure what that's for. You got some, oh, these are just adapters in case you need them for plugging into your video card. Yeah, and that's about it. So again, we'll get a better look at what it actually looks like installed in my other video when I actually do the full build. There it is.